some playground fun today? We're going to draw a playground with a slider and a trampoline. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the slider. Start by drawing the ladder. Draw 2 vertical lines and connect them with small horizontal lines to make the steps. Next, draw the slider itself. Draw a curved line coming down from the top of the ladder and another line parallel to it to complete the slide. Now let's draw the trampoline. Start by drawing an oval shape for the top of the trampoline. Then, draw some stands. Draw short lines extending down from the oval and connect them at the bottom to make the stands sturdy. Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Look how the bears are enjoying the playground. Now it's time to bring our playground to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. We will use rainbow colors to make our artwork extra special. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. job, little artists! Your playground looks so much fun! Keep practicing and making awesome art! Don't forget to share your drawings with us! Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.